Hi everyone, it's a girl Doshimagu. I picked my kids from school and I discovered that two of them were coughing. Okay, so I decided to make this smoothie for them. In here I have my orange. You can see it. My orange. Okay. Then here I have my watermelon and banana. And in here I have my milk. So I'm gonna be putting 1 spoon of honey. Okay, 1 teaspoon of honey, because I told you earlier I discovered the kids were coughing. Okay, so I'm gonna blend this together and give them. It will help in the cough. So let's go ahead and blend it. Okay, so our smoothie is ready. As you can see it, since it's for the kids, I decided to make it very smooth. It will help them in the cough. Okay, so once in a while you can do this for your kids and it will be of help. If you are interested in this, you can always try it in your home. And also, please subscribe to my channel, share and comment and tell me what you feel about it. Thank you so much and stay positive.